Mobile cloud, where is it? Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo, Paiva back with another video. In today's video, I explain what the cloud is, where it is, and how to access it. So in this video, I'm going to answer all your questions. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make several tutorials, always to make it easier for you. So, Leo, what is the cloud? The cloud is nothing more, guys, than several online servers where you can put your photos, videos, and files on these online servers. In case of any physical problem with your cell phone, your photos, files, and videos will be safe there on these online servers called the cloud. iPhone users use iCloud as a cloud service. So the iPhone users put all their photos and files backing them up to the cloud. In case of any physical problem with your phone, these photos and files will be safe there in the cloud. The Android users are going to use two native services that come on your phone here. I'm going to click here on Google. And we're going to have two native services here already pre-installed, Google Drive and Google Photos. Google Photos, you're going to put all your photos into that cloud service. In case of a problem on your physical phone, you're still going to have these photos safe in the cloud. So it's very important you put your most important files in some cloud service. Okay, guys? Here in Google Drive, it's for you to put your files. So I'm going to click here on Google Drive. And here I've put all my programs, important spreadsheets, PDF files here in Google Drive. So these files aren't on my phone, okay, guys? They're not on my phone. They're there in the cloud. In case there's a problem here on my cell phone, I'll still have these safe files there in the cloud. So it's important. Don't forget to back up to the cloud, okay? Nowadays, it's a primary service to not lose anything from your life or your work. So don't forget to back it up to the cloud. So to use this cloud service, you're going to open both Google Drive and Google Photos. You're going to click on these three lines here. Then it's going to show you your storage. How much of this cloud service are you using? I've used almost 4 gigabytes of the 15 gigabytes they give you for free. I could buy more storage by clicking buy storage here. So I can buy more cloud storage. For example, 100 gigabytes would cost me $6.99 a month. If you have a lot of files, you're a photographer or a video editor, you could get this service with up to 200 gigabytes or even 2 terabytes, which is a lot. If you need this cloud storage for work, okay? That's it, guys. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll leave it at that. Big hug. Stay with God. Thanks.